Hey, Victor. Oh, good. You've got one as well, boy? We've all got one.
How did you get it?
Mike, I want to word with you. Mike!
What?
Why did you do it?
I didn't do it.
You promised me it was something personal between you and me and nobody else.
But it wasn't me.
When we finished, you promised me you'd delete it.
And that's what I did.
For some reason, I just don't believe you.
Listen, it must still have been in my memory somehow. And when I saw the phone to Gav, it must still have been there.
You sold your phone to Gav?
Yeah, the new phone for my birthday, didn't I?
Oh, well, happy birthday!
Listen, Rose, it was a mistake. I would never do something like that to you.
You expect me to believe you?
No. That's the truth, honest.
What?
I know.
But what are you going to do about it?
Me? There's nothing I can do about it, is there? It's out there now like a virus and there's nothing I can do to stop it.
Oh, yeah. Like a virus eating into me bit by bit.